Reforms, judicial actions, and election are all parts of the legacy of July, which continues to shape our nation's path. Over this year, NCP has consistently championed democracy and institutional reform. We have taken an uncompromising stand on seeking justice for the July atrocities and enforced disappearance while working to defend sovereign foreign policy, transparency, and accountability. In our first national election, NCP contested 30 constituencies within an alliance while presenting a distinct manifesto. We won 6 seats and received nearly 3% of the national vote, demonstrating a significant shift from a youth led movement to an emerging political force. While this is an important achievement, we must stress that the results reflect the continued dominance of entrenched power structures. Although the voting process was largely credible, there were irregularities in several constituencies. The government has failed to implement the necessary responsibilities for forming the Constitutional Reform Council in accordance with the popular will expressed through the referendum. Such inaction undermines public confidence, hampers democratic norms, and threatens national stability. Attempts to obstruct judicial process and delay reform measures are deeply concerning. Since forming the new government, there has been politicization of key institutions, including Bangladesh Bank and the Anti-Corruption Commission. Corrupt oligarchs and loan defaulters have been allowed positions of influence. The concentration of power, coupled with weak enforcement of accountability, risks repeating cycles of mismanagement and exploitation of national resources. NCP remains committed to responsible and principled opposition both inside and outside of Parliament. We call for the immediate formation of the Constitutional Reform Council as clearly outlined in the July Charter Implementation Order. Our mission is to advance a new political settlement rooted in democracy, accountability, economic justice, national dignity, religious values, and cultural diversity. In particular, we are focused on youth empowerment and employment, ensuring the next generation can actively contribute to building a just and equitable society.